my name is Olivia Francese. I am a student at Bowling Green State University. I'm a senior this year and I'm majoring in digital arts, and I am interning at the NASA Glenn Research Center. My role at NASA is augmented and virtual reality development, and basically I do 3D modeling. I also enhance previous 3D models and I help with the texturing and lighting for those. I really liked the idea of creating your own world. There's definitely demand in digital arts too, and I was inspired by movies and just like creating your own concept and a world digitally, and I really love that too. And we kind of live in a digital renaissance right now, and I can see how it's developing very fast, and I kind of wanted to be a part of that. My art helps communicate to the public by easily being a translator for the public, because NASA has very technical vocabulary, so I am able to take that and visually communicate about what NASA is doing. There's a lot of things a lot of people don't know that NASA does, so people like me are able to visually communicate and be a translator to the public about what they are doing.